So you mentioned that you knew you were different and you knew what goes with it. So how different are you and what does go with being Jewish?
I don't know what I found out when. I don't know at what point I found out about huge segments of my family having been killed, and that being distinctly something that happens to Jews. Um, I certainly knew from quite early that we're not liked. This is why we don't broadcast who we are. That's different, but substantively, what made us different to begin with, that we have these different relations with Gentiles, it wasn't clear at all. I certainly didn't understand almost anything about the religion. I didn't know much about any religion, so let's put it this way, because it's not taught in school. We don't, during the Soviet Union, we don't talk about religion. So to the extent that when there was some liberalization and when churches began to have masses, and I noticed that there were these huge festivities in city streets, and there's Christianity in the city, and I didn't understand it much. Around that time, my grandfather brought home a medallion with Mary and Child on it. Now I know who was on this medallion, and I can tell it's a religious symbol. And he showed it to me because it's just pretty. He said, "Hey, look what I found." And I said, "Oh, is that also our symbol?" I said. I have no idea. Maybe by this point I knew that Magen David is something that's specific to us. But other than that, it was really on that level. I had no idea what really makes us different.